Welcome back, you guys. This video is for the seller that I bought the ACM car computer basically from, because they want to know they want to see videos about the issue that I'm having with my Camaro, because they're thinking that if there's a real big problem, then they're going to want me to send them the ECM, the car computer, back, and then they're going to do testing, and then if they find out that there is something really wrong with it, then they're probably going to send me a replacement. But so I'm making this video. There's going to be a few parts because I want to show some of the information just to show them what I see. So I'm going to pause this video really quick, and then I'm going to get to showing you where the ECM is underneath my trunk of my car. So first I'm going to pop the trunk. There we go. And pause the video, and then I'm going to open it and I'll show you where it's at. Okay guys, so I'm gonna open my trunk now. There's a little latch right here. I got to push over to the far right and then lift up on the hip on the trunk itself, and it has gaskets. They're I forget what exactly they're called. They hold up the car. Gas struts, that's what they're called. So it holds the car up. And over here on the far passenger side, and that is on my far left, you can see this is the ECM right down here in the front, right next to my radiator and the cooling fan. And you can see it's right here, and it's attached just fine. And this wasn't me, I didn't put it in. The dealership, it's called Chevrolet Regal on Bartow Road here in Lakeland, Florida. They installed this for me, and they programmed my key fobs so that way it can unlock and pop the trunk. Just to use my key fobs, the original key fobs that I have with the circuits and everything. So the flagship one, guys, they sent me an email on how to reprogram my new key fobs for this car computer, since it wasn't going to know my keys or the information about the car yet. So I had to send that email to the dealership that I gave the ECM to for them to install it, so that way they can program the keys too. So both of my car key fobs, which look like this right here. So both of these keys that I have, that I bought when I got the car, they both work for the car, and everything is working just fine for that. But the issue that I'm having, which I'll show you on, I guess, part 2, but I'll talk to you guys now about it. So I originally just replaced my O2 sensors and my catalytic converter at the shop about a week ago now. And you can see the O2 sensor down there on the far passenger side. There's one right there. On the driver's side, I mean, on the top. So one's right there. And I know that everything is plugged up right. I went back to the shop and he checked it out, and it's still showing a check engine light. So I'm gonna show you. Let me pause the video and show you guys. Hold on. Alright guys, so we're back in my car, and I just want to show you this right here. It is a Bluetooth OB2 reader. So I plugged that into the bottom on the driver's side into my OB2 port. If I can just get that in there. Hold on. Let me pause the video and do that. Hold on, I need 2 hands for this. Alright, you guys, so I got it plugged in. You can see there's a little red light at the top of it, just to show you that it has power. Now I'm going to start the car up, and then I'm going to show you. I got on my original phone here. The Torque Pro app is what I use to check trouble codes and things like that. So let me just get to it so I can show you. Hold on 1 second. Here it goes. See right here, Torque Pro. So if I click on that, then I have the profile set up for my 2010 Camaro. As you can see, I had to set that. And it can read the RPMs and all kind of information and trouble codes. So that's how I was able to find out why I'm getting this check engine light. So I'm going to stop this video and start part 2 so I can show you guys. Hold on.